Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Percy and today I will show you what I've been up to for the last couple of weeks. Starting off with painting this old toolbox that we got from an auction last year, using some of my old sample paint. This is a good size toolbox and I plan to use it to carry some of my merch at the market and use it to display the merch and sell it if someone wants it. Tune in because I have a sad story about it in a bit. This is how it turned out and I used my dark wax to age it back. I did not paint all of the handle to show the original age of the piece and I like how it looks. To age the toolbox back, I used the dark wax and applied it to the piece. I also painted this thrifted fruit box using the same color as the toolbox. I think I give this at least 3 coats to hide the red, but I also like it showing in some places. I also use this to carry my merch at the market and display them. So I had another market last June 14 and here is my setup at that market. So you see the toolbox and the fruit box in use. Towards the end of the day, a nice looking older lady stopped by my table and was interested in a lot of things. She got the mushroom trio, a couple of plants, the small mushrooms that I also made, the plant box with 2 cats, and guess what? The toolbox. All in all, the total was $113. I gave her some discounts there too. She e-transferred because she said she didn't have enough cash because she'd already been to some of the tables. And I see she bought a lot, so I even offered to help her to her car. In all of the busyness of the business, I meant to make sure that the e-transfer came through. But unfortunately, I did not. The lady left. The money never came through. It was such a rookie mistake. It was disappointing to say the least and kind of stupid on my part, but oh well. I trusted a scammer, I guess. My husband said I never learn. So yeah, that's what happened. Too bad for me. But oh well. Moving on, since I was so sad about that toolbox because I loved that toolbox. I know I have more toolboxes, but that was such a good size and it was good to carry. None of these 4 is the same as it was. Nothing could ever replace the toolbox unless maybe I make one. So in my sadness, I gathered all the toolboxes that I have in sight. I found 4 and here I am painting all 4. But like I said, nothing can replace that nice toolbox. But I guess I should just let go. So again, using some of my old sample paints, I got to work and yep, got to painting all the other 4. Can't you tell I'm still sad about that scam? People. Oh, yeah. Here they are drying. And again, I did not paint the handle all the way through. I guess that would just be my signature to show the age of these toolboxes, because most of them are old, or all of them are old. Also, to de-stress, the following day after that scam happened, I cleaned the gazebo. So I brought out the cushions and washed everything under the gazebo. I even went to the extreme. I cleaned up the, you know, the joints of these stones, and I plan to change the sand into a concrete mix because the ants are getting through them, or even little seedlings grow in between them. So I went to Home Depot and got me a bag of ready mix cement, and I got working. I applied it dry, and then I got the hose and hosed them in between the cracks. But you know, as there are bad people in the world, there are still more good people, I believe. Just like this woman I met. She offered her extra plants for me to go take them and dig up what I want from her garden. She's a retired, fragile lady. She can barely walk, so I offered to help her organize her garden a little bit while we went around and showed me what I can dig up. I went home with a trunk load of plants, and I will be going back to help her again because as much as she wants to work in her garden, I can see that she's not able to. She was talking about death a lot while I was walking with her. To Marilyn, thank you for your generosity. God bless you. And see you again. Here are all the plants she gave me. She says, take them, take them. So that was that, and thank you again, folks, for watching. See you again next time. Bye-bye.